Hey there, my awesome friends. I'm sharing with you a place where I took my mom for Mother's Day. It's just a quick little video, and I hope you guys like it. This place is gorgeous. It is in Fallbrook, California, and the weather couldn't be better. The flowers all in bloom, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So sit back, relax, and watch some of this video, and there's some clips in there of my mom's reaction. So, Mom, do you like this place?
Yes, I love this place. But you know I love flowers.
Yes.
And I love water features. And there's so many
So
things.
there's the best of both worlds here, huh?
Yeah, and I think I'll be, probably stay here until about 7 o'clock tonight watching all the flowers.
You gotta be out of here by
Yeah,
then, Mama.
yeah, they don't let you stay all night, Mom.
Well, we don't have to eat all day. We can just walk around, but they won't let us even walk around.
Yeah,
Huh?
right.
Look, Mom, let's take a little detour, see what's on this path before we go to the restaurant. Let's see, Mom, what'd you get?
Mackenzie child butterflies to go with the ones I already own and have. And what is Grandma going to do with all these?
Maybe take the top off because it's hard to see.
Now we can, you got something from me right now. You can give her back 3 of the other stuff.
Wait, I wasn't doing it. Now do it.
I'm doing, look what my daughter got me. Let them fall out, let me cry.
They're not going to fall out. They're in there.
Aren't they beautiful? These are my Mackenzie child butterflies. I'm going to do a whole wall in my bedroom of just these butterflies. These are not all the ones that I own either. I have others.
That one looks like your pot, your teapot.
Yep. That's right. I have a teapot with the black and white, and I have a teapot with this here. I have several teapots too, guys. If you didn't know.
Perfect. So you like it, Mom?
You know I love it because you know I've been wanting to get some more. And they're different sizes and colors. Too.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, thank you.
Do you like the place that I took you?
It was beautiful, and you guys all know how much I love flowers and water and